Do you have neck pain? Do you have shoulder pain, arm pain, pain going down to your wrist from your elbows? Maybe it's just a slight kind of pain that you can tolerate. But maybe it's the kind that is causing you to lose sleep, and therefore energy, and therefore focus during the day, therefore your income earning ability. Therefore maybe you're a bit more irritable when you're around your family members. See, when you have a problem in your neck, in your arms, in your shoulders, it's not just a physical problem, is it? It's literally affecting your entire life. Your emotional health perhaps, your social life. And assuming that this has to do with some mechanical problem in your body and likely your spine, likely the top of your spine, likely the atlas, because Atlas, or C1 from Greek mythology, was that titan that held the world on his shoulders. So if your head has even a little bit of a misalignment relative to the top of your neck, this can create widespread bruising, pain, fatigue, feeling of heaviness in your head, neck, and shoulders by day's end. And if it is mechanical, if it is structural, if it does have to do with the spine, then the bad news is that this is going to be progressive. It tends to get worse if left on its own. But the good news is I specialize, I see these types of problems all the time. I do my work from the top of the neck, and NUCA, which is the association that I'm a part of, has developed a technique, the National Upper Cervical or Upper Neck Chiropractic Association. It's gentle, it's very specific, it's based on math and geometry and physics. And the reason that we exist, the reason that upper cervical, upper neck chiropractors exist, is for three main reasons. Structurally, this is the weakest link. You got the weight of the head relative to the little neck, 2-ounce atlas vertebra relative to about a 13-pound head. So with extra mobility, there's less stability due to the relative weight size. The second reason is neurologically, this is the most important. If you watch sports on TV, if somebody injures their lower back, yeah, it's a big deal. Yeah, you gotta call a timeout. Yeah, the team might lose the game. Person might go on the disabled list for a while. But if they hurt their neck, it doesn't matter if it's the opponent on the home field. The whole stadium goes silent because we know intuitively that this is the most important area in the spine, that critical linkage between the brain and the rest of the body. And the third reason is, well, out of 206 bones in the body, the atlas is the second most malformed. It's the most asymmetric. It's just got all these little tricky intricacies and the shapes and the slopes of the bone and everything. You know, I think that a lot of people know that they should see a chiropractor, but they don't want to for their neck because they already have pain, and the last thing they want to do is have somebody do like that in their neck. And fortunately, we do not do that at our office. It's a very, very light pressure, and I would like to share more with you about our technique and how we're helping hundreds of people around the San Diego area get their lives back, because neck pain, shoulder pain, arm pain, these are horrible conditions to live with, and you might not have to live with it. So just enter your email address below and we'll be in touch. We'll send you more information on how we may be able to help you as well. Thanks for watching.